Hey cruisers, are you wondering what to expect when visiting Juneau, Alaska on your cruise? Love to eat king crab? Here's a quick look. We were aboard the Norwegian Bliss in early May 2022, and the outside temperature was a nice 57 degrees Fahrenheit when we arrived at 1:30 in the afternoon. To exit the ship, follow the signs, scan your face, and exit the ship. Walk the gangways to get to the shuttle area. Free shuttles to town on the left, and tour buses and the walking route to the town on the right. It's a short 5-minute ride on the free shuttle, and you'll be dropped off at this stop that is next to the tram station. Walk across the street and you run into this Pandora shop and Alaska t-shirt store. There are restrooms in the Alaska t-shirt store and in Tracy's King Crab Shack that we'll see later in this video. Have fun visiting the shops. You'll run across many jewelry, souvenir, and gift shops. Here's a quick look as I walk up and down the main street. If you love king crab, we recommend Tracy's King Crab Shack. Here's a look at their menu. My wife and I shared a #1 Crab Shack combo that included garlic rolls, mini crab cakes, and crab bisque. We also got a crab cake roll sandwich. Take some time to check out their snack shop and memorabilia too. After you're done exploring the shops, hop on the free shuttle back to the ship. At the security checkpoint, show your stateroom card and photo ID. To reboard the ship, the crew will scan your face with a facial scanner and scan your bags through the X-ray machine. Grab a cup of hot coffee, tea, or hot chocolate to warm up. The outside temperature when we got back to the ship had dropped to 44 degrees Fahrenheit. Watch this video to learn about visiting Skagway, Alaska.